The ZANU-PF government is failing to put its house in order. The house is on fire. Sarapinda mashoko anyasobuda pachena achionekwa kunzi zviri kuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF panguva ino zviri kutoshamisa, and people they are worried and they know kuti ma-term extensions nema-consolidations ari kuitiwa panguva ino they might turn up hot, angazopisa zvokuda zvinobva zvichinzi another term for ED will be disastrous. Noti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa pepana wamudanyira chiti the ZANU-PF government is failing to put its house in order. The house is on fire. The economy has been collapsing under President Emmerson Mnangagwa's nose. The recently announced 100% pay rise offered to civil servants is just a pie in the sky. The Revolutionary Party is running in 6 and 7s, trying to bring back the economy to its feet. It's high time people call a spade to ratify the government very sick or dead. As we draw closer to the harmonized elections, it looks like there is nothing new coming from Mnangagwa's government. Civil servants are most poorly paid. The 5 years which Mnangagwa has been president have proved to be a man mammoth task for him, and allowing him to run for another term would be so disastrous. Mnangagwa is failed to whip his errant corrupt government officials into line, and he has also failed to address bread and butter issues. The economy is just growing on paper, but on the ground there is nothing to write home about. Zimbabwe is not short of potential leaders who can take the country out of this mess. We have plenty of leaders who are ready to serve this nation with a distinction. Youth workers have now donned their tools. It would seem it never rains, but pours from Mnangagwa's government. Things are falling apart. The economy is shrinking and in shambles. The law has been weaponized to silence dissenting voices. Opposition political activists cannot breathe. Thomas Kwabudanyo kwa panguva ina Leonard Kodi achiti aiwa the term extension panguva ino this is illegal, and people they are telling ZANU-PF kuti ZANU-PF already knows kuti zvairi kuita this is not acceptable, but panguva ino iri kuzama painogona napo inyazo kuziva kuti this might be disastrous. Kana comment section medu dzafungira muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.